Scientists found 85 potential planets outside our solar system that could support life. We've always wondered if we're alone in the universe, but discoveries like these bring us closer to an answer. Now, these planets aren't just random rocks floating in space, because there's already plenty of those. Many of these newfound planets are in what's called the habitable zone, meaning they're the perfect distance from their stars, and they have temperatures that allow liquid water and potentially life to exist. And the fact that they found dozens of these is a pretty big discovery. Now, these planets are really far away. I mean, they're trillions of miles away, but that doesn't make it any less exciting. If anything, it shows that the conditions that we're used to here can exist even quintillions of miles away in space, which is fascinating. Normally, when scientists are looking for these planets, they observe stars that are far away, and they watch for tiny dips in their brightness. Because whenever these dips happen, it means a planet is passing in front of the star and blocking some of its light. This technique has been around for a while, and usually they wait for 3 passes to confirm a planet, but this time they worked with just 2. And this matters because it lets them find planets with a longer orbit that are a little bit farther from the star, and this is exactly where slightly cooler but more habitable conditions exist. Because if a planet is making 3 trips around its star relatively quickly, the chances are it's a little bit too close, and the conditions on that planet might be scorching hot. So as of now, they've got these planets, and it's really interesting to think that these giant rocks in space could have an ocean of some sort, and all sorts of mountains, and maybe even cloud formations, and it's all just there waiting to be explored. And maybe one day we might find out that we're not so alone after all. Thanks for watching.